Shenzhen Rigoal Connector Company, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of waterproof connector. Let's go and see it. This is Michael.
Hello everyone, this is Michael from Rigoal. Welcome to Rigoal. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders.
We have a greatly professional sales team which can offer you the best service and answer your very professional questions, so you can feel very comfortable before you buy products from us.
This is our engineer who is drawing the 3D model. Our company has been trying our best to build a deeply professional and high-caliber after-sales service team which can solve all problems efficiently in the future. We will simulate various harsh environments for product testing and development to meet customers' needs.
This is wire tester fail. This is plug and pull tester, used to check the connector insertion and removal light test.
This is waterproof testing equipment. It is mainly used to test the airtightness of the products. IP67 need to put products into more than 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. IP68 need to put products into more than 2 meters of water for 24 hours. This is high and low temperature tester. We use tensile tests to test connectors for tensile, compressive, bending, and pulling properties. We use projector to measure the size of the products. We use salt spray tester to test products for corrosion resistance and protection according to product's requirements.
Rigoal Connector have already dedicated to connectors R&D development with more than 10 years experience, and these are certificates and patents. The company constantly follows the international standards of ISO 9001 and obtains CE, RoHS, IP68, and other more certificate verifications. This is our M series products, and we have already produced the products for many years. We have a complete range of professionalism and high production efficiency and better quality. Many materials, complete models, excellent quality, exquisite workmanship. For the M12 commonly used in the M series, the model is completed with almost every coat. The material has TPU, PVC, PUR, etc. The model is more suitable for the various needs of customers. SP series, our products include solder, screw, crimp, and other connection methods. This is 87 series, high currency resistance, waterproof, stable.
In order to keep the stability of products, we will conduct quality inspection before the end of each production to ensure that customers can get the corresponding protection.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.